It's been raining in Manila, hanap mo ba yung simple lane?
Audio Jungle.
Hi, I'm Bernard. So I'm the NCP's project lead for this project, Giant Fork Sinigang of North. Actually, yung pagpaplano, starts from scratch talaga. Yung standard process naman, given yung idea ng client, yung idea ng agency, and then coming into life, kung paano pa namin may improve, and then kung paano namin siya may explain or matatranslate into the actual works. And then once na nasa actual works na siya, yung execution na pag nandito na. So yun yung parang always na process na paulit-ulit naman namin na kinikater at perfectly nagawa naman namin siya for this event.
Yung challenging ma'am na sa project na paggawa ma'am ng mock-up sa pag-uumpisa ma'am kasi malalaki yung size. Kailangan ma-propose yung ma'am namin sa size na binigay. Kagaya ng okra, kailangan balanse po yung okra doon sa karne, sa ibang mga ingredients po. Dapat tama po yung size niya.
The hard work of the team. Definitely, madami. Madaming tao ang nag-come together to make this project come to life. Meron tayong from the side of PD, of course, we have the creatives from agencies, but collating it all together, yun yung paniniwala na kaya nating i-pull off tong pork sinigang fountain. Who would have thought we can dress up the fountain of MOA into a giant sinigang bowl? So, the hard work of everyone, it's really paying off and it's worth it.
Bago ka mag-retouch, finally. At least nakapako na. Hindi nagagalawin yung kunwari, ang comment nila ngayon sili, nakapaangat talaga. Parang banana boat.
Ay maganda, bonggang-bongga. Bonggang-bongga, wala ka masabi sa project na to.
Ano ba dyan sa ano? Sa lugar na yan, parang may lukot pa dito oh. Siguro lagyan mo ng rugby. Sige, haluin mo maigi para magpantay yung yung kulay.
Alalay mo lang kuya, baka makapaka ng matatalim dyan.
Oo.
Check, 1, 2, 3.
The UP Street Dance will highlight our sinigang or highlight Lola Amor. So we're quite torn where to do.
Nakita namin yung resulta ng pinaghirapan namin. Parang kahit anong gawin puyat, kahit halos wala kang tulog, hindi mo mararamdaman dahil nakita mo naman yung resulta. Napakaganda.
If the project will be executed well, kahit napuyat ka, mas okay na puyat ka at maganda yung kinalabasan ng project kasi may tulog ka.
Perfectly, nagawa naman namin siya for this event. And super thankful kami na less to none yung mga naging problems namin. More internal hiccups pero so far talagang all goods.